Hi everyone, welcome back. Two of my good friends, Costa T and TC Films, made a good point yesterday on the sound test that we've done with the Media Mod. So today we're going to do another test. We're going to test the Media Mod against just the regular sound test on the GOPRO8 without the Media Mod. So anyways, that was a great suggestion from my two friends, TC Films and Costa T. Check out their channel, and let's get started with that test. Welcome back. Right now we have the GOPRO8 hooked up with no Media Mod, and we're going to do some sound test again with just the GOPRO8 without the Media Mod. Right now we're probably about 30 feet away. We're going to walk a little bit closer, and we're going to see how the GOPRO picks up my voice. Okay, now we're probably about, I would say, a good 10 to 12 feet away. How does my voice sound? Okay, now we're about 6 feet away from the GoPro. How does my voice sound? Okay, now we're going to go in behind the camera and see if there's any change in my voice. Okay, we're now about 1.5 feet behind the camera. How does my voice sound? This is a sound test. Okay, now we're going to turn off the GoPro, and we're going to hook up the Media Mod, and we'll do the same test, and we'll go through the different settings, the stereo, the front, the back, and we'll put these two cameras side by side so that you can listen to the sound side by side. So here we go. The Media Mod in stereo mode. Okay, we're going to do the same test. Okay, we're about the same spot, probably about 10 or 12 feet away. How does my voice sound? Okay, we're a little bit closer. We're probably about 5 feet. How does my voice sound? Now we're going to go in behind the camera. Okay, we're about 1.5 feet behind the camera. How does my voice sound? Okay, let's stop that. Okay, we're in behind the camera. The mic on the Media Mod is set to the back, and again we're about 1.5 feet away. My voice should be much clearer now. How does my voice sound? The Media Mod mic is now set for the front speaker, so let's do the same test. How does my voice sound? Again, we're about 10 or 12 feet away. How does my voice sound? Now we're about 5 feet away. How does my voice sound? This is the front mic only. How does my voice sound? Okay, we're in behind the GoPro Media Mod, and we have the front mic on, and we're about 1.5 feet behind the camera. How does my voice sound? This is a test. How does it sound? We're probably about, I would say, a good 10 to 12 feet away. How does my voice sound? Okay, now we're about 6 feet away from the GoPro. How does my voice sound? Okay, now we're going to go in behind the camera and see if there's any change in my voice. Okay, we're now about 1.5 feet behind the camera. How does my voice sound? This is a sound test. Okay, there you go, TC Films and Costa T. Thanks for that suggestion. That was a great suggestion. Just checking out the sound between the regular GoPro and the Media Mod on the GOPRO8. We're going to check out that sound and see if there's actually any difference. Like I had said before when I first unpacked the Media Mod, is the GoPro8 actually has great sound even without the Media Mod, and the whole purpose of me having the Media Mod is to use this with the wireless Rode. There probably isn't going to be too much of a difference between the Media Mod and the GoPro8 regular mic, but anyways, we're going to check this out and see how much of a difference there is. And we'd love to hear from you guys what you think, if there is a difference between the sound of the regular GoPro8 and the Media Mod. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.